So it is April 17th, 7:30 a.m. I have, oops, a new coffee thermos from Temu. Let me grab the lid. Just wanted to give that a really good rinse. Still a bit dark in here. Okay, that's better. Now, that is much better. So, I got 6 hours of sleep last night, which is good for the insomnia. Having bad allergies already since I woke up. So this will be in the Temu haul coming out on Wednesday, Tuesday at the earliest, tomorrow, but probably Wednesday. And this is the only thing you'll see before the Temu haul because I washed it out yesterday. And I want to try it. It is stainless steel, and it actually has a grip in the bottom. And I read after the fact, this is food grade, like plastic, so it is safe. So that's really good to know. And then I did look at the ad after the fact too, and the ice cube tray that I got is BPA free, so that's good to know because I didn't say that in a Temu haul video that you'll be seeing on Wednesday or Tuesday, so because I didn't know, so this is so much easier than my old ice cube tray. It's just so much easier to push out now. Before, all the ice cubes were getting wasted. Now, because it's like a smaller tray, I have to use like all of them, but actually that should be enough. I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's use one more. 11. And then I'll fill the rest up to freeze in case I want a second one for later. Now I'll pour my decaf in here. Poured it really high. Going to quickly blow my nose. Oh, that thing is stuck to my... Okay, now I'm going to add some sugar-free syrup as I usually do. Five pumps as usual. And the syrup actually does take up room in it, so now let's grab the cream. I always eyeball it, but I've been trying to be a little more careful with how much I use. No, I think this is the same size as my mug, but it's just deeper, so I think I'm gonna grab a straw. Okay, let's stir everything up. Let's serve how it looks inside. I'm most impressed with the ice cube tray, but I hope this can keep things cool long. Because I dropped this on the ground, I do want to wash it with soap and water, but I think the spout is big enough to fit a straw through there, which is good. But yeah, just from so many things getting moved around from organization, I think it should be washed from all the dust and stuff from falling on the ground. So yeah, let's see how this tastes. Should taste about the same as a mug, but let's see if there's any difference. Tastes the same, but it does taste colder. So I think because it's stainless steel. So yeah, this was $10 and something, plus the tax for everything in the order. But yeah, there's a 19 item haul. This is one of the items coming out on tomorrow, but probably Wednesday. So stay tuned for that. This was one of the items I was really excited about and really in need of for a long time. And I got this mostly to keep my iced coffee cold, and now that it's a lot warmer, this will be good for the hotter weather. So, but this ice cube tray is perfect. Even though it's like smaller ice cubes, I didn't actually end up needing them all like I thought I would. So yeah, and I can just keep freezing them during the day as I go if I make more, and just waiting a few hours in between. And it's like perfect because I just pushed it right out from the bottom since it's like silicone. That green one from the dollar store, you had to just like use the edges and kind of push it out from the side, and then they all end up falling out on the ground, and then yeah, half of them get wasted, and then if you try to just turn it over, they end up falling on you and getting on your clothes and stuff. And if your clothes are dirty, you don't want to put that in your drink. So yeah, this was definitely worth it too. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this is in the temu haul. So these are two things that will be in the temu haul video that I'm showing early. But yeah, in that video, I wasn't sure if they were BPA free or not. But yeah, this one comes with the tray, but the tray isn't very, doesn't really click on it well, but the actual ice cube tray itself is good. But I got the tray more because of my dad putting pop and stuff in the freezer and forgetting it in there sometimes, and then it explodes, and I don't want that on top of the ice and then getting all over my frozen ice. So that's mainly why I wanted one with a lid, but the bottom part is perfect, so I can just push them out from the bottom and then none get wasted, and it just worked perfect. And this was only like a couple bucks, so $2 and something. So yeah, you'll see these both in the haul. So yeah, and this does, I don't want to put it on right now from it falling on the ground, but yeah, it just literally slides right in, and the lid open and snaps shut like so. Yeah, so that is my little decaf iced coffee in my new coffee thermos. I'm not sure yet. I have to read it if you can put heat in this. If you have the same one, let me know. But yeah, I'll have to double check on that. And yeah, it's very early, so I haven't brushed my hair yet, but I wanted to film this while it was still quiet and before there were a lot of people walking around. So yeah, thanks for watching.